Welcome to Auto Info Master, your go-to place for everything on wheels. Today, we have something special for sedan lovers. It's stylish, efficient, and packed with modern tech, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. If you think sedans are fading away, Chevy is here to prove you wrong. Ready to dive into the details? Let's roll. The Chevrolet Malibu has been a staple in the midsize sedan market for years, known for its balanced performance, smooth ride, and stylish appeal. The 2025 model keeps that legacy alive with some fresh upgrades, ensuring it remains a top choice for those who want a comfortable daily driver with a hint of sportiness. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend getaway, this sedan is built to keep up with your lifestyle. Let's talk about the exterior, and right off the bat, the Malibu makes a statement. Chevrolet has given it a sleek and aerodynamic design, making it look more premium than ever. The signature Chevy dual-port grille now has a bolder appearance, flanked by sharp LED headlights that stretch towards the fenders, giving it an aggressive stance. The sculpted hood adds to the car's refined look, while the lower bumper design enhances aerodynamics. The front isn't just about looks, it's designed to reduce drag, making the Malibu more fuel efficient. Move to the side, and you'll notice the flowing body lines that give it a dynamic and elegant profile. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, almost like a coupe, making it stand out from traditional boxy sedans. Depending on the trim level, you get 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels, adding to the sporty appeal. Chrome accents around the windows give it a touch of sophistication, while the well-proportioned dimensions ensure it looks just right, not too big, not too compact. At the back, the Malibu continues its modern approach. The slim LED taillights are seamlessly integrated into the trunk, creating a clean and upscale look. The rear bumper has a subtle diffuser-like element, hinting at a sporty character. The dual exhaust tips, available in the higher trims, add to the aggressive styling. Chevrolet's signature bowtie badge sits proudly in the center, reminding everyone that this is a sedan with a strong heritage. Now, let's step inside, and this is where the 2025 Malibu really shines. The cabin is all about comfort, convenience, and modern tech. Soft touch materials, an intuitive dashboard layout, and an 8-inch or optional 10-inch touchscreen make the interior feel premium. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone. Higher trims come with a Bose premium audio system, ensuring a rich music experience. The seats are well cushioned, with available leather upholstery and power-adjustable options for both driver and passenger. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for everyone on board. Under the hood, Chevrolet keeps things simple yet efficient. The 2025 Malibu is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 163 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), providing a smooth and fuel-efficient drive. The power delivery is well balanced, making city driving effortless while still providing enough punch for highway cruising. With an estimated fuel economy of around 30 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, the Malibu is built to save you money at the pump. Safety has always been a priority for Chevrolet, and the Malibu is no exception. It comes equipped with Chevrolet Safety Assist, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims offer additional features like rear cross traffic alert and blind spot monitoring, making your drives safer than ever. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu starts at around $26,000, making it an affordable option in the midsize sedan segment. Higher trims, packed with more features and luxury touches, can go up to $32,000 or more. For the price, you're getting a stylish, fuel-efficient, and well-equipped sedan that balances performance and practicality. So, why should you consider the 2025 Malibu? First, it offers a sleek design that stands out, making it a head-turner wherever you go. Second, the interior is spacious and packed with modern technology, ensuring a comfortable ride. Third, the fuel efficiency and smooth performance make it an excellent choice for daily driving. And finally, with advanced safety features and a competitive price, it delivers great value in the sedan market. If you're in the market for a stylish and reliable midsize sedan, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu deserves your attention. What do you think about this new model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Info Master for more exciting car content. See you in the next one. Keep driving smart.